My name is Lydia Zingoni. I am the founder and director of Teen Entrepreneur Foundation, a foundation which I formed in 2010 to instill a culture of entrepreneurship in young people. We are currently running a teen innovation workshop with teenagers from all over the country, but mainly I'll be focusing on how the teenagers can be a catalyst to economic development in South Africa. Most people or most parents are very protective about their young people, so they don't want them to be involved in businesses at a young age. But I mean, if you look around the world and those people who have really succeeded, we're looking at the Facebook, the energy at the moment is around young people. So obviously this should really give a light to South Africa to say, look, let's look at our young people, let's empower them, let's energize and use the energy which they have and channel it into businesses. The significance of a Teen Entrepreneur Foundation or energizing young people into businesses is that we're facing a massive unemployment of young people. So we will now be focusing mainly away from government entitlement, things like that, but focusing on themselves, how they can also contribute to the economy. So obviously the focus then moves from the government to themselves in terms of how they can take this country further. As much as we would like to touch all the 18 million young people, it takes money to reach people. So obviously as an organization we are battling. Initially I've had to put, if you believe in something, you have to put in yourself. I've used some of my own resources to start the foundation, but it's now time when big businesses, government, where we are saying that the focus shouldn't be really on government, but should be really on themselves, on young people. But if we don't get funding to energize that and harness that energy from young people, then we are not going to be, the focus again goes back to government. So we are really looking at government, big corporates to help us. We have a number of seminars and workshops which we have designed. One of them is this one here, Awaken the Giant in You. In each and every young person, there is something which they've been brought into this world to give. So, but what we are doing as a country, if we don't give resources to organizations such as ours, we are gagging that innovation, we are gagging that giant in every one of the young people. So obviously we are battling with funding. If we look at the 18 million young people in South Africa and we channel those young people into entrepreneurs, it means that in the year 2030, when we look at the National Development Plan, there will be more entrepreneurs in South Africa, there will be more businesses, the unemployment rate will go down. So obviously, as going forward, we really need to make sure that we energize those young people and funnel all that energy into something constructive for the economy. I mean, as you know, entrepreneurship is actually innovative. There's innovation behind it. And I know that SASL is really one organization which has taken innovation a step further. And it will be really ideal for them to come on board with us, so that at least they can harness some of the ideas which we workshop in some of our workshops and then carry those further. Because the young people think more creatively, and if that energy and those creativity ideas can be taken forward, an organization such as SASL would really sort of benefit as well. What inspires me is to know that each and every young person or person who comes into this world has got something to give. And it's my duty and my legacy, which I want to build, to say, look, let me be part of that unwrapping of the presents which each and every person is given into this world. And teen entrepreneurship is one such organization which can help bring those energies, bring those ideas, bring those talents up to fore.